Hi there. This is Cohort 4, Group 4's Part B of our e-commerce microservice. This program was built in C# and ASP.NET Core Framework. In Part A of this project, we created a Eventbrite events catalog microservice, which was able to store the events in a SQL database. In Part B, so this part, we added the web model view controller, which was responsible for interacting with the microservices and facilitating a content for the view or to be accessed by the client. We also added a token service microservice using Cal's OAuth instruction and class. In parallel, during this time, we also were developing 2 additional microservices. That is our Help and Contact API service, as well as our User API service. The User API was an exploratory microservice where we wanted to make our e-commerce site multi-user, and that's still in development. And our goal of these 2 additional microservices is to integrate them along with cart and order in our final project submission for 3C. But for the remainder of this demonstration, I'm going to show you how we were able to Dockerize the events catalog, web model view controller, and token service. First, I'll bring up a browser and show you that the service is down. Turn that off. Then we'll start Docker. Docker is loading. Okay, so it's listening on port, and Docker PS shows that the containers are up. The event web shop is the microservice, event API is the catalog, token API is the token service, and the event DB is the instance of SQL that holds the events database. So the next thing we're going to do is go to the browser and again, go to localhost 5070 to try to ping our Eventbrite site. And you can see it loads, and we're able to scroll through images of the content. It has the pictures with the images and the cost. And pagination works. Just go to the end, and you notice that since you're at the end, you get previous but not next. And we're able to use categories to scroll through our categories, but we'll keep with all. The venue. Venue did work. There it goes. And then it shows all the data in the different venues that we use to populate it, but we'll keep with all for now. And then we want to click Login to show our token service. And oh, my email's already in there. Me at my email, my password, and I log in. And I get my token. And I don't need the page to translate. And so token service is working. And that's about it for now. Our next steps are integrating the order and the cart service, as well as integrating our Help and Contact API and hopefully completing our User API as well. And additionally, we only scratched the surface in terms of playing with customizing the display of our event site. So we'd like to keep working on that as well. Thanks for listening.